you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we have another huge buttload delivery of cucumbers from our friends Chris and Jenny. Thank you guys so much. So we have another cucumber recipe, which I think is very important because a lot of you out here are like, my cucumbers overgrew, like I need more recipes. Girl, I got a whole series of cucumber recipes for you now before the summer is up. So we're gonna make a crispy cucumber salsa. It is vegan, of course. I don't know, I don't have much else to say except jump right into this bitch. We're gonna start off with, you guessed it, Charisse's favorite, Wayfair's vegan sour cream. So I have about a half a cup of that. And then I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle pepper, which, fun fact, chipotle pepper is just like dried powdered jalapenos. Like, what? Poblanos, like when they're dried, they're anchos. What? I didn't know that. Okay. So I'm also going to add some dill, so probably about 1/4 of a cup or so. Now, don't put that away, Greg. Don't take my dough. And I'm pulling out my little whisk like Julianne. Don't make fun of a little whisk. It's perfect. So if you wanted to keep it like super like Spanish style salsa, then you could certainly do cilantro instead of dill. But I just like cilantro sometimes, but I wanted to switch it up because it's not my favorite. So we're gonna do some dill, fresh dill bits. We need some fresh dill. Okay, so in a bigger bowl, we're going to take some cucumbers. So I have about 2 cucumbers, 2 medium sized. For me, it was actually 1 gigantic one and 1 small one. But so what we did was we peeled the skin off, we de-seeded it, and then and then we chopped them into small pieces because here's the thing, you guys, you're not cooking anything. So it almost reminds me of like my sushi. Like, you really, since you're not cooking it, just take the time to have some beautiful knife cuts. So we're also going to add a tomato in there. So this is a chopped tomato into equal sized pieces of the cucumbers, but we took the seeds out before we chopped her up. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. We're also going to add 1 yellow pepper. So my pepper and my onion and my jalapeno, I made sure to make smaller because, you know, we want it evenly distributed. So that's about half of a red onion. And then we have 1 whole jalapeno that we seeded and diced. So we're gonna mix this together. And now we're gonna take our little sour cream seasoned bonanza and we're gonna pour her right on top like a soa. And then we're just gonna mix her in and we got our cucumber salsa. So you can eat right away. You can save it for leftovers. I mean, you do you, but I'm gonna eat it with some tortilla chips. You guys, what? Who is she? Okay, so I'm so excited. So I would recommend serving this with some tortilla chips. Okay, let me get in there. Okay. Okay. I don't know if you guys, this sounds like a very bizarre analogy, but I don't know if you guys have ever gotten like just vegetable subs from Subway. That's like this Subway subs with just vegetables. I feel like that's what it tastes like in the middle. That's a really weird analogy, but it's creamy. It's acidic. You got that freshness from the dill, that spiciness of the jalapeno tickling your tongue. You know what I'm saying? I highly recommend. I think if you really love cilantro, I would recommend doing the cilantro because the dill, it's different, but it's still that like fresh pop of a fresh herb, especially something like a dill. So if you don't like cilantro, dill's great. You like cilantro, do cilantro, girl. You know what I'm saying? Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you watch my ads so your sister can get paid, because we poor. That's why you're getting all the cucumber recipes, because that's free food right there. All right, I'll get you guys next time.
goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.